Hey guys, what's going on? This is L Dub, the rich college kid. You know who it is. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are a repeat, thanks for coming back. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's really important for those who are considering being business owners or for those who are already business owners. Here's something that we need to think about. So, what every business owner should know. So, before I go into it, let me ask you a question. What's the biggest expense that you think you'll have in your lifetime? Let's think about that for a second. Okay, that was the second. So, what most people probably thought about were if you're a parent, your kids, your car note, maybe the mortgage on your house, things like that. Those are probably the first things that came to your mind. But in all actuality, the biggest expense that we all have, regardless if you're a business owner or not, is taxes. Yes, taxes. We pay taxes on pretty much everything. So that soda that you're sitting here drinking right now, what? These markers that I bought, pretty much everything that we encounter in life, we purchase in life, has a tax attached to it. And if you are a W 2 employee, meaning that you have somebody that you work for, 9 times out of 10, you're paying taxes. Well, your job's paying taxes for you, but all the things that you buy every day, you'll never get that money back. Once you spent it, it's gone. Boom. You'll never see it again. But the great thing about being a business owner is that you get tax deductions. Yes, you get tax deductions. And this is what I see common. I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you an example right here. Let's see. You see this receipt? Every time you ball up this receipt, as a business owner, you are throwing away free money that you could get back. Because when you are a business owner, you usually will fill out a tax form, which is a 1099, meaning that you work for yourself. So you pay your own taxes. So that's really important. We'll touch on that later. But you pay your own taxes. So let's talk about what is a tax deduction, what is a tax deduction, and what is tax deductible. Okay, so I got my notes here. Let me just pull my notes. If you see me move to the side, that's what I'm doing. So here we go. All right. Tax write-offs are great for those who are self-employed. So pretty much everything is tax deductible. You'll hear a lot of people say that who talk about it, who are business owners. They'll say, "Oh yeah, I write off everything. Everything's a tax write-off." Everything is truly tax deductible if it pertains to business. So don't think that, oh, you're gonna go down the street and buy some candy and a bag of chips and you're a business owner, you're just gonna write that off. It has to pertain to business. But if it pertains to business, it's 100% something that you can write off. So I'm just going to read a couple of things that are things you can write off that are tax deductible. Your marketing materials, insurance, any trainings and educations that you use to further your growth as a marketer, you want to go ahead and write those things off. Traveling, entertainment, postage, incentives for staffs, laundry if you're providing uniforms for your employees, utilities, even the building that you rent is a tax deduction. Or if you're somebody who's just renting a room, that space that you're renting is now tax deductible. So pretty much everything that you are planning to write off, you would get 30% back from that. So out of 100% of what was spent, you would get a 30% back on that purchase. So for example, if you spent $900 on a camera that was for business and you're a YouTube vlogger, then you would get you could save $300. You can get $300 back at the end of the year. All right, that's great news. Great good news. Who doesn't like saving money? The other thing I want to talk about, guys, is saving your receipts. That example I just did about balling up the receipts and throwing them away, you're wasting money. Save your receipts. You want to save your receipts, the purchases that you've made that pertain to your business. That's very, very, very important because otherwise you're throwing money away. You don't have a record of what you've purchased, and at the end of the year, you don't get that tax write-off that you deserve. I mean, come on, you're putting money into your business. You're putting in money so you can make money. So you do want to get a write-off at the end of the year. Okay, guys. So that's the largest expense. You can pretty much write off everything. I took notes of what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So you can pretty much write off everything. And the last piece of information I'm going to leave you guys with in regards to taxes is going to be this. You must do your taxes. So here's the thing. When you're coming from being an employee for a company, usually they have you fill out paperwork and they take those taxes out for you. So you don't have to even think about it or worry about it. You get what you get after they take taxes. Sorry, the kids are out there. But you take that amount from it. No, Backtrack. So when you are an employee and you work for somebody else, your taxes are automatically deducted for you. But when you switch over to being a business owner, everything that you touch, you're getting the full amount from that. So when I go out and I market and I do those things and I get the results back from that, or I get the payback from that, none of that has been taxed yet. So it's up to me as a business owner to make sure that I do my own taxes, because guess what? If you don't do your taxes, IRS is coming for you. Best believe they're coming for you, because ain't no way anybody gonna be making that amount of money and not be paying a due. So you do have to pay your taxes. So you do want to be responsible in doing that. And if you're not sure how to file your taxes at the end of the year, and this is your first time being a business owner, then I would encourage you to go and find somebody who does taxes and ask them to help you with that. Okay. So those are the two, the three biggest things I wanted to just talk to you guys about, is that if you are a business owner, if you're considering being a business owner, you do want to save your receipts. That's really important. And you want to use those to do a tax write-off at the end of the year. And you want to make sure that you do your taxes, because again, if you don't, IRS will be coming for you. And then the last point I have was that pretty much everything you touch can be written off. So the computer you use, the software for that, anything that you're using that that pertains to your business can be something that you can write off. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. I have more tips and tricks that are going to help you become a better marketer and better help yourself out in your own home-based business. Or if you've already gotten started, I also have tips and tricks on just how to be more efficient in your business as well. So again, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys. And also, I'm going to be doing another video in regards to taxes, is how to properly log your mileage, because I didn't mention that. You can also write off your gas. You can also write off the insurance for your car. So those are also tax deductible things if you're using your car to go here and there for business purposes. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly what a mileage log is, how do you do a mileage log. We'll go over all of that, so don't worry. But again, subscribe, like this video. This has been L Dove, the Rich College Kid, and I'll see you guys later.